She left. She hurt you. Now you're stuck wondering, should you chase, should you hate, or should you rise? Let me show you how a stoic man handles pain like this. Welcome back to my channel. Most men break when a woman they loved turns cold, cheats, lies, or leaves. But you're not most men. You're here to learn how to respond with power, not emotion. You're here to become stoic. Feel it, then master it. First, let's be honest. Yes, it hurts. You gave your heart, and she stepped on it. But pain is a message. It's telling you, wake up, level up, don't fight the pain. Feel it, understand it, then let it go. Never react. Observe. A stoic man doesn't react emotionally. She expects you to beg, cry, or seek revenge. Instead, observe. Step back. Become quiet. Focus on you. Your silence will echo louder than any text you could send. Detach from her. Reconnect to yourself. Detach. Not to hurt her, but to heal you. You don't chase what disrespects your worth. Redirect that energy. Go to the gym. Build your mindset. Stack your money. Self-respect is the best revenge. Control what you can. Let go of what you can't. You can't control how she feels or what she did, but you can control your response. Focus on that. Let her wonder how you're so calm, so focused, so unbothered. That's stoic strength. Conclusion 1. She may have hurt you, but she doesn't define you. Silence is a weapon. Use it wisely. You don't chase. You replace. Pain builds men. Use it. Your peace is more powerful than her attention. Don't break. Build. She lost a real one. Make sure she feels that loss. A stoic man doesn't need closure. He closes the chapter himself. Walk away like a king. With purpose. With power. If this message hit you deep, remember, you're not alone. There's a whole brotherhood rising in silence. Subscribe now because every video is a tool to build your mindset, your power, and your peace. Like the video, share it with someone who needs this. And remember, a stoic man doesn't chase love. He becomes the man love can't ignore. Stay strong, stay stoic.